Alright guys, kita sepertinya ini episode terakhir kayaknya ya. Iya nggak sih? Nggak tahu sih. Tapi ya udahlah, kita lanjutin aja. Let's go.
These paths the hybrids cut through the fields might wreck the environment. They sure make great roads. Not to mention, they lead right where we need to go. I guess we just drive right up to the weather array and start kicking alien butt.
Kicking alien butt.
Looks like the butt kicking might start before we get there.
Maybe we can throw them off if we split up. You guys head down the road and see if you can find another way through to the array. I'll take care of these guys and continue on foot.
Aduh, pasti
Well,
terganti-gantian
this
nih.
is a team, and I vote we stick together.
2-1, overruled.
Wait just a minute.
Yeah, kinda stinks when you're on the losing end of
Oh,
it, huh?
bener-bener. Kira nggak jadi. Aduh, grinding gak sih guys harusnya? Tes dulu kali ya. Buset, gede banget guys. Anjir, Mosasaurus bro. Gila Smackdown bro. Here we go. Tapi lemot banget anjing. Wah, lemot banget sumpah tapi.
Come into my heart.
Ini ada jalan gak sih guys? Damai banget, damai.
And I thought you were ugly as wild mud.
Gede nih. Oh, lu juga bisa nembak. Nih, gua nembak. Tuh. Aha, you're gonna die, bro. Wow. Ini bisa kayak? Oh, bisa anjing. Oh, bisa juga ternyata. Ambil darah dulu guys. Ambil darah dulu lah, biar gak usah berubah-berubah lagi. Let's go. Aduh. Apaan sih? Aduh, nggak bisa nih guys. Tinggal ini doang, out of my way. Apa guys? Kotak segitiga. Nah gitu dong, full lagi. Duh, gue curiga. Ntar di sini ada apa? Nah, ngebug guys.
Boy, bet it would take something huge to deal with this situation.
I know that. Aduh, lama banget kan ini. Wah anjir, sumpah kombolisnya apa sih guys? Oh, udah my way. Wah ini gak enak banget. Diam. Tolong, jangan habis. Tidak, aku tidak mau. Monyetku. Loh, kok ke sini guys? Alah. Aduh, ini menggunakan ini semua nih guys.
There are more of them in the barn. See if you can find something to break the wall so you can get inside.
Bulat, gue pencet bulat guys. Kan bisa diterobos ya, kenapa ini badan doang gede anjir. Sumpah. Waduh, ini lagi ada api. Oh shit, oh shit. Diam. Dapat lagi. To the moon. Segitiga kotak. Aduh, spider monkey tuh. Caranya gimana ya guys? Oh, I know that.
Time for a little monkey business.
Iya, I know that. Naiknya gimana ya guys? Sini kah? Kok nggak bisa sih guys? Kenapa ya gue? Aduh, mencurigakan nih guys. Oh, ini dia nih. Itu tuh apa guys? Oh, kebakar dulu dong logikanya. Pakai logika nih guys kayaknya. Oh kan bener. Iya gak sih? Ih aja dapet ginian doang tai. Gimana sih guys? Tuh bisa. Masuk anjing. Ah gitu anjir.
Oh, don't you monkey with the monkey.
Ah masih. Ntar guys. Ada sesuatu nih di sini nih gua lihat-lihat. Nah, kok warnanya tetap biru? Apakah emang tetap biru guys? Oh ada ginian ternyata. Hijaunya tuh lagi ya. Berarti yang satu lagi tuh apa enggak? Salah gue. Sini kan.
Any hot ideas about what alien might be useful about now?
Iya, I know that. Cepat terbakar. Diam. Aduh kena lagi. Gue juga bisa nembak tuh. Mau apa lu? Lanjut baik kayak apa? Gue juga bisa nembak kali, bos.
Too slow.
Wih, gila. Kotak segitiga bulat golong. Coba kotak segitiga bulat.
Go big or go home.
Apa sih? Bingung gue, guys. Kotak segitiga bulat. Apa harus di ini ya? Wah, ada monceng.
We're in a hurry, so usually I'd say don't monkey around. But in this case...
Terus kita kemana, guys? Wah, ada itu kan. Oh shit. Goblok anjir. What the fuck, gue udah pencet X anjir.
We're in a hurry, so usually I'd say don't monkey around. But in this case...
Catch me if you
Gue udah pencet X anjir.
We're in a hurry, so usually I'd say don't monkey around. But in this case...
Kome. Ah, tolol sumpah. Jadi keturunan. Nih ya guys, liatin nih. Gue udah pencet X. Oke, Saurus aja lah yang gedean ya. Gak bisa guys, gak ada blue. Dah. Alah, ini lagi goblok.
Fungasaur.
Gak bisa dilompatin, manja banget, manja. Gue curiga sih guys. Ada apakah di sini?
Smell of success.
Ayo sini maju. sini lu. Sini maju. Nah ini gak mati-mati anjir. Songong gak kena. Diam lu pada. Maju sini, maju aja. Itu caranya guys. Aduh gak kena lagi.
It's a rare combination of evil now. Though there's no way to
Aduh gak kena. Segitiga kotak bulat. Umum Ghost Lab. Sama aja kok ininya ya. Kombo-kombonya mah ya. Kombonya mah sama-sama aja. Alah. Apa nih nembak-nembak tuh? Aduh. Butuh darah. Sini ada lagi. Oh my god. Jatuh lagi anjir. Shit man. Jadi hancurin guys. Apaan sih tuh suka kayak gitu guys? Gak kepencet gitu. Tuh gak jelas gitu loh, males gua. Tuh apaan sih? Eke udah nih ya, kalau lo mau dengerin ya, gua udah pencet ya. Oh bisa, giliran ini takut ya, takut dijual deh sticknya. Bill. Gak kena.
Nobody makes the
Aduh,
money
kena
out
lagi.
of me.
Diam. Wet, gila lu. Gila. Gila ya, charge. Bulat kota kayak seru guys. Oh, ini asik deh. Tar, pasti ada yang dihancurin nih guys. Spider Monkey kah?
Ben, you're short.
Gee. Thanks.
I'm pleased that you have moves that will let you get through tighter spaces.
Oh gitu, I know that.
Think about it.
Aduh, apaan sih?
I'll just
Aduh, gak dapet
monkey
guys.
around for a while.
Lah. I know that.
Ben, I'm reading an underground stream directly below you. If you can get the lid off of that cistern, Jerry could probably get through there pretty fast.
Harus gimana guys? Ini dulu dihancurin kali ya. Gak hancur guys. Jet Ray kok. Hah? Gimana sih guys? Gimana sih tadi? Guys, bantu aku. Kotak segitiga bulat. Gimana sih? Apa pakai ini dulu guys? Apaan sih? Gitu aja. Oh, bulat. Kok tadi gue jemput kagak bisa? Oh, Jetre di air ya? Kok bisa menyerang guys di air? Hah. Tuh, gue curiga ada musuh sih di sini.
the best you can do?
Anjir, cuma bisa gini doang. Ih, gak kurang-kurang, enak banget. Dah, bisa kurang sih mati sih gue. Ada lagi. Ada lagi gak? Sini ya, Mak. Ih, apa nih guys?
Ben, don't panic. But there's a waterfall, and you're about to go over it.
Oh, great. Thanks for the timely warning, cousin.
Halal. Lah. Ya guys, jatuh guys. Gak dapet dong gue. Ah, bodoh lah. Ya jatuh ya. Susah banget sumpah. Oh, bisa terbang ternyata nyet. Iya gak sih? Ih, apa sih jatuh lagi dah. Ntar gue kepo guys. Ini bisa sebenarnya kayaknya. Tuh kan, nah.
I thought you had this Omnitrix thing down cold.
This forecast, cold, with a chance of ice.
Wah, anjing itu apa ya?
You're
Ya mati tolong.
Time for me to fly.
Salah guys.
stuck? Huh. I thought you had this Omnitrix thing down cold.
Lah. Ini cara naiknya gimana guys? Oh, ntar ya gue kepo dulu nih guys. Kepo gue.
Big chill.
Ya, harus berubah lagi jadi jet ray.
Let's get this show off the road.
Mampus. Jet gegabah.
Is it me? Or did it just get
Apaan sih? Kita ke atas kan guys?
big chill?
Terus ke atasnya ke sini.
Let's get this show off the road.
You know, the bigger you are, the
Aduh,
harder
aduh.
you fall. But the less it hurts.
I know that. Dapat temu sini di sini. gak gitu dong. Sini maju. Strike zone. Tuh kan kebiasaan naiknya nggak kepencet guys. Monkey. Terus
Monkey see, monkey punch.
sini lu maju. Haha, are you ready for rock, baby? Baby, scroll me.
Farther than a barrel of fun. Well, you
Ah, ini ngeselin nih. Alah. Ah, sumpah ini keselin banget. Ah, sumpah ini gak enak. Alien yang gini gak enak guys. Diam, diam. Diam, semuanya diam. Diam. Aduh, gak jadi lagi. Ah. Aduh. Diam. Semua bisa diem gak sih? Padahal lu diam gitu. Gua nggak seneng gak sama yang raksasa itu. Ih, kesini. Diam. Sini lagi. lagi guys.
Ben, we're almost at the weather array. Are you getting close?
I'm not too far away, but I think I might be able to disable the array from here.
How?
I found the hybrid command chip, and it looks like it's the focal point of the circuit
Circuit
pattern.
pattern. Aduh,
If I
ada
can somehow
guys
get this ship
suaranya.
to take off, it'll break the
Masuk
circuit and
kah?
shut the whole thing down.
You're planning to take on an entire hybrid command ship alone?
I'm gonna try. You and Kevin keep going. If this doesn't work, you'd still have to shut down that array.